In this lesson, we're gonna take a look at linking a detail view. What I have on the screen here is a foundation plan, and I have a detail reference. As far as if I double click on this reference, it'll bring me to the detail that that particular bubble is referencing, and it tells me that it's detail number 6 on sheet S801. So the way this works is typically if I go to the view panel and I select a section, I can go ahead and draw a section mark if I want, or I can say reference another view. So instead of cutting a section from the model and having Revit create a section which then I add a certain level of detail to, we're going to leverage existing details from our detail library. So I would say I want to reference another view, and then from the drop down I would scroll down and select the particular detail that I wanted to coordinate with. So if I just scroll down and find the particular detail, I'm not gonna use the right one here. I'm just gonna select something. So I'm just gonna say find something semi-close here. We'll just say mono footing with curb. So then when I cut my section, that detail is detail number 3 and it's placed on sheet S800. If it wasn't placed yet, I would have question marks there, and then once I placed it on a sheet, it would go ahead and fill in the information for me. Now notice I have a couple icons. Cycle head selection. I can go from a tail to no tail back to the head, and I could do that on both ends, and I can also flip the direction that it's indicating. As a standard for these detail sections, we're just doing a standard line with the detail head. So I'll go ahead and select that and delete it. So remember, that was in the section in the view panel, and then the important part is to do reference another view, because if I go ahead and draw a section, it's doing a building section there, which then if I double click on that to open it, it cut a section, and then I would go and detail it from there. But when you can leverage the existing library of details, you just want to go ahead and do a section, place a check mark, pick your referring detail, and then cut your section. And then you have your various controls.